Yo, what's up? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyandPaint.com. Hopefully you can hear me. Give me a quick audio check. Let me know everything's okay. The video, let me know if you hear me, if you see me in the chat super quickly. I want to talk about a couple of things today. Hope your weekend is doing well. Little chilly out today in Dallas, about 40 degrees out. Not ideal weather, but wanted to give you a quick update here on the Miata. I was on the fence about getting some new tail lights because I was thinking of just blacking these, which I can for a different look. We can tint these up, but they are a little old. And if you can see, when your body parts and tail lights or headlights get this bad where it's really faded out, there's nothing much you could really do. Like I said, we are going to test and smoke it, see how it looks, and I'm going to show you how we achieve that. Basically, you could just mix a little bit of black base coat in your clear coat and just give it 2 or 3 coats, right? And I would suggest if you do that, put very little base coat in your clear coat, because the more coats you go, the darker it's going to get. So you could layer it like that instead of going very dark, because by the second coat it's going to be like super blacked out, right? So again, you could buff this out, but because it's so faded, right, even up here, if you buff it, it's just going to make this look glossy, and it's still going to have that pinkish ugly, orange pinkish color up here instead of looking like this. If it all looked like down here, not too bad, but it's like so faded. This, even though the outside is glossy, because buffing or clearing only makes it glossier, and it's pretty glossy, right? But it's not gonna do much. What's going on, Kent? Hope all is well here. Welcome to the show, guys. I'm glad you're here, Kent. Awesome. Want to give you guys some updates at the headquarters here, Learn Auto Body and Paint. I've been working on the Daihatsu videos, and my computer crashed. Big freaking problem, so I had to go buy a new computer yesterday. I just picked up a brand new iMac to finish these videos for you. I know I've been procrastinating on them. I am very sorry for that. I'm going to give you an update within the next few days on the Daihatsu project. It's going to be a complete series in detail, and I hope you enjoy that. What's up, Ivan from Puerto Rico? So I am actually going to write a sorry letter for you VIP guys. It's just been ridiculous at this moment of time right now. But I'm not going away, guys. I'm still here. Thank God. Knock on wood. I got to find some wood. There's no wood in this shop. Where is the wood? I'll use this wood. Oh, God. All right. So rewind the video if you want to see what I just talked about what I just said. Okay, and I've been on the fence of getting some new headlights for the Miata. Not headlights, tail lights. And I finally did. I was thinking of going stock with the stock style, but I was like, man, these just look really good. So I got these for about $85 shipped. Not too bad. All right, I'm going to put it in right now so you can see how the whole back looks. Cheaply made. I wish the quality was a lot better. What's going on, Sean? I see you. Don't forget to hit the like button, guys. The quality and the seal, not that great. It's something I might have to work on, putting some silicone in the background to get that going. But it looks really good on the car. Better than the stock original. So we're going to go ahead and make this work. What I don't like about it is if you look on the side, because these are like it's the Altezza style lights, you can see that it's not even all the way around, especially this white, sandblasted look here. Attention to detail is really not great, especially in this corner. So I don't know. What I could do is sand the whole thing down with 1000 grit. It's brand new, I know. Mask this area off with fine line tape all the way around. Spray black base to cover this. So you just see the the actual black light, not this around here, and then clear coat it. That's another way around it to make the cheaper style lights look actually good, if you want to pay attention to detail, right? So I'm gonna go ahead, pop them in. You tell me what you think. Maya, good morning. Come here. Say hi to everybody here.
Hi.
Not many people on this morning. Everybody's sleeping. It's Saturday.
Yeah. The dog is even.
The dog is what?
The dog always wakes up late on Saturdays and Sundays. But not on Monday and Monday through Friday. She wakes up early. Just like me.
Okay. So that's pretty much how it looks. What do you think?
I mean, the difference. Look here. Let me show you the difference. That's a difference.
The problem is the trunk hits it.
Trunk hits it?
Yeah, it's not a good mold. That's the problem.
It doesn't fit properly?
Or I might have to really tighten it up really good.
Well, really big difference.
Oh, yeah.
This looks horrible. That way more. You were in. Way better. You gotta push it in, Dad. Push it.
Yep. Okay. Just quick. Hopefully the trunk closes. I might have to return them if they're not that great.
Wait, you should get the same kind of maybe a little smaller maybe? Get a better
I don't
mold.
think it's the right kind. It's just
Not fitting properly?
the way it was made in mold,
Ooh.
not the best.
You should just get a different mold.
I can try it. Let's see. Ah, not bad. I had to tighten it down, that's all. So let's check it out. I had to tighten it down, guys. So what do you think? Go or no go for the new lights? Comment below, let me know your thoughts. Tell me what you think. If you like them or you don't like them.
This old one looks terrible.
What do you, yeah, the old one looks really bad.
Let me hold this one.
Old one looks really bad.
That's what it looks.
But I don't know. I think it gives it a pretty nice look.
I know. It looks more newer. You just gotta sand it down to make it look, or you gotta buff it.
Yeah, the old one, right?
Yeah. This side.
So this is how it's gonna look. I think it looks pretty cool. I think it looks pretty cool.
The animal was here again.
What animal? Oh yeah, something's been crawling on my.
I mean,
On
it
my
did
car.
that to the Lamborghini. Ugh. Looks like a cat or a raccoon.
Yeah. You guys want to see the office? The new computer setup that I got?
It doesn't-
I like them, but look better tinted black.
Yeah.
Yeah, the inside is black. I think, yes, I can tint them if I wanted to. I think the black outline on it would look great. The gray line is showing. Yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. Like, especially if you look around here, it looks really cheaply made. You know, and unfortunately, there's not a lot of good aftermarket parts quality-wise for this thing.
Dad, it's still sharp here. Look.
Yeah, I know. The mold is very bad on this thing.
I mean,
It's gonna need a little bit of DIY care.
sharp.
Don't cut your finger.
Hold on.
But I think, like Kent said, maybe if we tint them quick. This thing needs to be buffed out. I never buffed this out. This will look nice, glossed up. But it gives it a better look. Anyway, it looks way better than stock. Stock ones look like crap. Maybe I'll throw them on eBay, see if I can get $20 for them, $30, whatever.
Good. It should be $10 each.
You guys want to see the office setup that I got?
Yeah,
I'll show you the new computer.
It's a new iMac, right?
Yeah. I'll show you the new setup that I got here quickly. Okay, so
The dog's coming.
yeah.
Hi, Sandy.
So this is my old 2011 iMac. Never had any problems with it. When I moved to Mexico, I took it to Mexico, took it back to Hawaii. Here's the dog. Took it to Dallas, works great. I like it because it has the old CD slot, DVD slot. You can actually put and watch a movie on it, which is really nice. And it works great. It's just slow. It's not compared to the 2018 models where you can process and render video with a quickness, especially uploading videos and uploading files. So I just got this one yesterday, brand new, 2 terabytes of space. This one has 1,000, but this has the turbo boost hard drive, which is super, super cool. Here's me and my wife back in the
That's
day.
me when I was little.
This is Maya
When I was little.
when she was little. This is a Maui. And this is me and my wife. 2006. God, time goes by too fast, guys. Time goes by too fast. So I'm super excited about this setup. Right now, I am exporting all my iMovie files from here onto this machine right here. Is it off? There we go. So I'm exporting what I got in there to this one, also from here to here. I'm not going to make movies on my laptop anymore. Just too much space, clogs up, and it's just ridiculous because I just record so much videos here. And the other deal is, I can't wait to start using this machine for my video editing. This one I'm going to give to the family. It's going to go to the house side where Maya could actually use it for school stuff. Or watch a movie on it or whatever. So yeah, super, super excited about this the new setup here. What else? I was gonna tell you guys something else. I am working on these videos. I'm telling you guys are gonna get this.
Want me to hold it?
I got it. You guys are gonna get this stuff really, really soon. I got all the videos here for the project. Tons of hours here, lot of videos. This is when I was actually teaching my neighbor how to do some body work. 14-year-old kid. I actually had him do some body work on the Daihatsu. Why isn't it playing? Oh, that's because that's only a 1 minute. It's only a 1 minute clip. I was teaching him how to block sand, the basics of auto body, and he says he loves it. It's awesome. So, and he was doing really good. I was teaching him how to mix some filler. He had a really great time, and we have everything here step by step, and I think you're gonna like these videos.
Some part.
I'm thinking you're really gonna like these videos once they're done. We did a lot of body work on this truck. Yeah. It didn't seem like it, but once I got into it, there was tons of body work. We even had him mix and lay filler. Total newbie, 14-year-old kid, never did auto body before. I showed him how to do it. He was a little sloppy in the beginning, but what do you expect?
Yep. First time.
There you go.
I see this all the time, so I'm fine with it.
First time doing filler. Good. Anyway, guys, I can't wait to get this onto the iMac and just finish everything up. Hope you're getting excited about it. Like I said, tons of new videos. So it's time actually.
Should go back home and eat.
How come I can't flip this camera? Here we go. All right, so let's go, Maya. Yep, time for lunch. Gonna go grab some food, go eat. Just want to give you a quick update. Hope all is well, everybody. Thank you for everything. Hit the like before you leave. Thanks, Kent. I'll be in touch with you personally, Kent. I have a lot of things up my sleeves I want to talk to you about. So yeah, guys. Have a great day. I'll be in touch very, very soon. Talk to you soon. Bye.